everybody, welcome to my channel. So I was up last night and at 11 p.m. my time, I live in central time, the app always pops up of what extra care bucks that I'm getting. One thing I have noticed now, it's actually showing like your mystery coupon, it's showing all the instant coupons now. So that was awesome because there was times where the red machine wasn't working and we're like, okay, what were the mystery coupons? We never got it. Now that's one thing that I have noticed, that the app does have it in case you guys do not want to use the CRTs that we get with the paper ones. So just letting you know, but I was so excited because I actually got a 2 off of 8 cosmetics. I have not gotten that since this whole fiasco started. I ended up getting a, I think I got a 4 off of 18 shampoo and conditioner. I have not gotten that. I also had, I started getting razor CRTs, so it's like, it's finally coming. I am finally starting to get CRTs. Funny thing is, when this whole fiasco started, I just had my cards just scanned once and like a couple CRTs were printed off. I ended up scanning my card 3 times and entering my phone number once or twice under the same phone number, and I had stuff continue printing and printing. So it is getting there. It is getting there. It's more and more and more. But I'm thinking, like, as long as I can still buy a variety of stuff, I'll continue getting more CRTs. So if it's happening to you guys, awesome. But I'm still continuing getting the CVS extension cords. I'm never going to buy an extension cord. Stop sending me CRT extension cords. But I still get a ton of CVS CRTs. But I'm like, whatever. I'm starting to get other ones, and that is what I'm excited for. So my haul is small, which is totally fine because it's starting to get better. It's starting to get better. But I was excited to do this deal. This is the tree-free green toilet paper. This was $3.49 at my store. They are currently on sale for buy one, you get one free. And if you buy 2 of them, you get a $3 extra care buck. So these come out to be just 49 cents or 24 cents, 25 cents a piece. I thought that was a pretty good deal. One thing I rarely ever do is I ever buy toilet paper at CVS. I did it like a couple times in the past, but I never get CRTs for it or anything. So maybe from like last week and this week, buying toilet paper, it might do something. I know it takes a couple weeks for it to like factor in, but yes. Now I did this deal because, number one, this is my favorite razor. This is a metal handle razor, okay? This is my favorite razor. I love this handle. It's heavy. It's got a grip to it. What I end up doing is I take the razor heads off my other razor and I continue using this one. But I absolutely love this. And this is the reason why I did this deal, because these are $14.99 at my store. $14.99, but today they were on sale for $9.99. It even shows it in the ad. So I'm like, sweet. So I bought 2 of these at $9.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that you can use. I ended up having a 4 off of 18 razor CRT, and then I also had a 6 off of 25 razor CRT, and I'm like, sweet. I was not used to that, but I was actually excited. So I used the 4 off of 18 CRT. My total came to $9.98. I got a $4 extra care buck, making it $5.98 or $2.99. So not the greatest deal, but like I said, this is something that I've been really trying to coupon for, and I have not couponed for this in months. Probably, I don't have any more of the metal handled ones, so this is something that I just really wanted to get for myself because I really enjoy it. It's just got the nice weight to it, and that's one thing I like because I'm always dropping the razor. I like it when it's got some grip and it's got, you know, it's metal handle. So yes. Another thing I noticed, did you guys notice they've changed the limit on this? You can only use 1 Nivea coupon per transaction. Now there is 3 different ones. You could use each of those in a transaction, but you cannot use, like, I use the 4 off of 2. I cannot use 2 of them. I don't know when they changed that, but I've noticed a lot of coupon changes have been changing, so make sure you guys are paying attention to that. I mean, people make mistakes, it happens, but you know, that's why we're here to teach everybody how to correctly use a coupon, because some people just don't do it, and then that's why it's getting worse and worse and worse because of things like that. But anyways, this was $8.99 and this was $6.29. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts last week, and then I also had a $1 off app coupon for the breathable, and then I also received a 3 off of 12 lotion CRT. I haven't got the lotion CRT, I think, since January. Like, that was the last time I got a CRT for lotion. My total came to $7.28, but then when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra care buck, making this $2.28 or just $1.14 a piece. So I was pretty excited to get something that I haven't gotten in a while, but it's getting there. My CRTs, like, I was like, my husband's trying to sleep, and I'm just like, yes, yes, yes. I'm like, I can't wait to look at more deals, because I'm like, I got my CRTs for it. I'm like, yes. Yeah. I ended up getting, my store had zero Hershey bars, 0 Kit Kat bars. They had 0 Reese's bars. I had to get Reese's sticks. So I'm hoping maybe these taste like Nutty bars. We will see. But these are 2 for $2. I ended up buying 2 of them, paying $2, and then you get a $1 extra care buck, making these just $1 or 50 cents a piece. But yeah, I was kind of disappointed. I'm like, seriously, you guys have more gum. They have gum galore, but no candy bars. No candy bars. So there was that. I wanted to get the Compede because it's on sale for like $9.99, but my store didn't have it. It said they had it, but they didn't. And then they didn't have enough because of the coupon. And then I looked at Ibotta, and it was a limit of 1. In the past, they changed it where you could do 5 per transaction. Now it was a limit of 1. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not doing that deal. And then I was looking at any kind of vitamins, because there's a ton of vitamins on clearance, and I had some CRTs. I had a $3 off vitamin one, and then I had a 2 off a 10 vitamin, and I'm like, okay, let's see what I can get, but didn't find anything. I'm just trying not to get anything. I just wanted to see what I could use. So I did that, and then, yeah. So I had a coupon for a free cosmetic. Now, every single time I do that, I always combine it with my transaction, and then something gets messed up, something doesn't work right. So I'm like, this is what we're gonna do. I bought this mascara. This was $9.49. I used that $5 free mascara or free cosmetic up to $5. So I just did that. This came out to be $4.49, okay? But they have a deal with Revlon. If you spend $12, you get a $5 extra care buck. And I'm like, okay, I just gotta spend like just a little bit more to get the $12. So I was like, okay, I can spend $3 more and get it. But then I'm like, no, I was gonna get the Revlon Kiss. Well, my free cosmetic was not popping up for this at all, because I was gonna use this as my free cosmetic. And it was not popping up. It kept popping up for this and a couple other things, but it would not pop up for that, so I wasn't sure if it was going to come off. I didn't want to chance it. So this is $5.49. So I ended up doing this deal. I ended up getting 2 of the mascaras for $9.49, and then I got a Revlon lip balm for $5.49. I used that 2 different transactions, because I bought this one in transaction, and then I just had to spend so much more to get another one. So for this one, I had that $4 instant CRT that we were getting today, and then I also had a 2 off of 8 cosmetic. So I ended up paying $13.47 for these 3. But I ended up getting $10 back instead of 5. So every 12 you spent, you got 5. So I spent 24. So I ended up getting $10 back. So your grand total came to $3.47 or $1.15. So yeah, I'm sick. I have so many lip balms, it's ridiculous. But I'm like, let's get some mascara. Like mascara, I really tried to stock up on. But that's what I was trying to do. But I realized for those free cosmetics, I'm doing that haul by itself. I'm going to do it. No extra care bucks. I'm not going to pay with any extra care bucks, nothing, because I don't want that to get messed up, because every single time I try to do that deal, it gets messed up. So now I learned my lesson. But my total came to $7.22 for everything. I had some extra care. Well, the reason why it was high, because my first transaction with the 1 mascara, I did not want to pay with extra care bucks because I did not want to lose it. So that is the reason why it was a little bit higher than usual. But $7.22. But I ended up using $29 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $22 back. So it wasn't very much. So if you think about it, my grand total was $14.22. I got 11 items at $129. I know this right here will be almost for beauty. I don't know if the lotion is. I think the lotion counts as beauty. If I'm wrong, please let me know. But with those and those, I should be getting $3 back with beauty. So that helped out a little bit. I know the razors are not beauties, so, but I was excited with what I got. I'm trying to get better deals, but I'm just trying to build those CRTs just to see if it's me or if it's everybody else. Like, you know, it's just, I don't know. But I know in the past, they've based your CRTs of what you bought in the past. So, I'm hoping maybe that's the situation and just trying to reset everything. But I'm checking it out, but it keeps getting better and better every single week. So, I'm happy about that. Keeping my fingers crossed that it keeps getting better. But yes, it's my small haul, but hey, but guess what? It's better than nothing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. I do have a printable breakdown for the items that I got in case you need to do the deal that I did. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.